In 2026, Social Security will see 5 key updates. 1. Cost of living adjustment. Benefits will rise 2.8%, up from 2.5% in 2025. That's positive, but inflation, especially for energy and healthcare, is still outpacing most retirees' income. Medicare Part B premiums, expected to jump 11.6% to $226.50, reducing the impact of the COLA increase. That's 3. Wage cap. The taxable earnings limit rises from $176,100 to $184,500, meaning higher income workers will pay more into Social Security. 4. Earnings limit. If under full retirement age, you can earn up to $24,480 before benefits are reduced. $1 withheld for every $2 over. In your full retirement age year, you can earn up to $65,160, $1 for every $3 over. After full retirement age 67 inches, 2026, there's no limit. 5. Work credits. You'll earn 1 credit for every $1,890 in income, up to 4 credits per year, about $7,560 total. You need 40 credits, roughly 10 years of work, to qualify for benefits.